Hello! Welcome to ABC in Zambian languages. Today you will learn about family, the nuclear family, in Cinyanja. Are you ready?
Banja, banja.
Father, father.
Atate, atate.
Mother, mother.
Amai, amai.
Sister, sister.
Mlongo, mlongo.
Brother, brother.
Mbali, mbali.
Well done! You just learnt about the nuclear family in Cinyanja. Let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABC in Zambian languages.